Ultimate 10-step Google Map SEO checklist to rank higher. Hi, I'm Navneet Kaushal, CEO Page Traffic. Welcome to my channel. If you want your business to stand out and rank higher on Google Map, you need to follow tested and proven method. Today, I'm going to share the exact checklist that we use to get our clients to the top of Google Maps and help generate thousands of leads. You can download it from the link in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 1, Google Business Profile Optimization. So you go to your Google Business Profile and click on Manage Now. You can also access it through your search engine listings. When you click on Edit Profile, you will see you get your business name, business categories, one of which is primary. You have your descriptions. You have your opening date. You have a business description, opening date, contact information, your website URL, your business location, your service area, opening hours, and everything which needs to be there should be filled. You can also add photos to your business profile, have Q&A. Let's see if you can add a photos. So when you go to photos, it's important the photos are relevant and personal to your business and not some stock photos. You can also add Q&As. Number 2, location specific pages. Create dedicated location specific pages on your website. This is crucial for multi-location businesses. Each page should include unique content. Tailor the content for each location, focusing on the services offered in the specific area. NAP, information, consistently display your business name, address and phone number. Embedded Google Map, embed a Google Map showing your business location. Local keywords, use local keywords naturally within the content to improve your local SEO. Here is an example of how we do it on Page Traffic site. So here is our Chicago SEO company local page. You can see we have the keyword rich URL, we have the title content also Chicago, and we also have the map embedded in our page. You can see all the content we have properly. Similarly, if you go for our Delhi page, you will also see similarity, and this page ranks very well for the best SEO agency in Delhi, and you can see that we have embedded the Google map here. Citations and directory building. Citations and directory listing is vital for local SEO. Follow these steps. Consistent NAP. Ensure your NAP information is consistent across all listings. Top directories. List your business in top directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and industry specific directories. Local directories. Don't forget local directories and community website relevant to your area. Structured citations. Submit your business detail to structured citation sources like business data aggregators, which distribute your business information to multiple sites, and Google also prefers it. Number 4, review and reputation management. Review plays a significant role in Google Maps ranking. Here's how to manage them effectively. So as you can see in this option, if we go to the website and we see the reviews, you can see it's important to respond to each of the reviews, whether they are positive or negative, and also it's very important to encourage reviews. Ask satisfied customers to leave positive review on your Google Business Profile and respond to reviews. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, in a professional and timely manners. Use keywords when responding to reviews. Use relevant keywords to naturally boost SEO. And after all, one thing important about review is review monitoring. Regularly monitor reviews on Google and other platforms to manage your reviews online. Number 5, localized content and blogging. Creating localized content helps you rank higher in local searches. Consider these tips. Local blog post. Write blog post about local events, news and community involvement, and also write about your particular niche. So you can see here, for example, what does a comprehensive AC maintenance services includes. We talk about science, the importance of professional AC services. Now we talk about understanding the process of AC repair and hosting, and these are the types you can use here. Service area pages. Create page for each service area if you serve multiple locations, just like I showed you for Page Traffic Chicago and New Delhi. Localized keywords. Incorporate localized keywords into your content. User generated content. Encourage customers to share their experience and tag your business on social media. Number 6, backlink building. Quality backlinks from a reputable source can significantly boost your Google Map rankings. Here's what to do. Local links. Get backlinks from local websites such as local news, community blogs, and local business directories. Industry links. Acquire links from industry related websites and associations. Some of them might be paid, but I will strongly recommend to go ahead and do it. Guest blogging. Although recent time guest blogging have received a lot of flags, but I will still say writing a guest blog for local blog and websites in exchange for a backlink is a good strategy. Partnership. Build partnership with local businesses or organizations for mutual linking opportunities. Number 7, regular post updates. It's important to have regular post updates on your GMB profile or Google My Business. Post can be updates about your offers, events and news regularly on your Google Business page. And remember, you can have up to 1 post every week. So we recommend at least 4 posts every month. You can also create event listing for your upcoming events, and you can offer updates, share special offers and promotions. So you can see we have different updates and different promotion offers on this GMB page. Number 8, on-page SEO for location pages. I will again go back to one of our client websites. I will show you that on-page SEO is crucial for improving your local rankings, and also important to have local pages for each keyword. So for example, you will say EC installation, Bel Air, AC services, Houston, HVAC service. So I will just open one page for you and show how the optimization is done. First of all, is important is title tag and meta description. Optimize the title tag and meta description with local keyword. As you can see here, AC services Houston is the keyword which is mentioned in the title. Header tag, use header tag H1, H2, H3 to structure your content and include local keywords. So you can see the local keywords is included here in the tags as well. And we also have in the H2s and H3 as well the local keywords. Image optimization, use high quality images and name the images with relevant file text and alt text. And last but not least, mobile optimization. Ensure your website is mobile friendly for better user experience and higher rankings. Number 9, utilize Google Business Profile features. Take full advantage of Google Business Profile feature to enhance your profile. Q&A section, regularly check and respond to questions in the Q&A sections. As you can see, we have responded here. In fact, some of the questions also has been put, and we have responded with a keyword-rich content and relevant information. Product and services, add detailed information about your product and services. Booking button, if applicable, enable the booking button to allow customers to book appointment directly through your Google My Business page. Insights, monitor Google Business Profile insights to track your profile performance and make data-driven decisions. Number 10, monitor and analyze performance. Lastly, continuously monitoring and analyze your performance is very important to make improvements. Use Google Analytics to analyze and track websites and user behavior. Google Search Console to monitor search query, impression and click-through rate. You can also use rank tracking tools to keep an eye on local search rankings. And remember to adjust your strategy based on your analysis and to improve the performance. So here we are. Follow these 10 crucial steps to optimize your Google Business Profile. Create location-specific pages, build citations, manage review and more. By implementing these strategies, you will boost your local search rankings and elevate your visibility on Google Map. That's it for our complete Google Map SEO checklist for 2024. Implement these steps and you will see a significant improvement in your local search rankings. For those looking to stay ahead in the SEO landscape, I highly recommend checking out my video Ultimate Voice Search SEO 2024 guide showing on the screen right now. In this comprehensive guide, I delve into latest strategies and techniques to leverage voice search for skyrocketing your online presence. Stay ahead of the curve and master the art of voice search optimization by watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.